Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make delicious Diwali cracker chocolates and I'm pretty excited about it. I hope you are too. So let's just start with the video and see how we make it. By the way, today is Diwali day 6. So I'm seriously excited about it and I hope you are enjoying the videos. If you all are, don't forget to let us know in the comments below and let's start with the video and see how we make it. I have some melted Morde white compound here which I'm just going to fill in almost half the mold. And then I'm going to start filling it with the pedas we had made. This we'll fill in with the mawa cake. Now go ahead and fill the top of the chocolate. You don't want to make it overflow. That's why you fill a little less chocolate at the first layer when you're filling the first layer. Once this is done, just tap it a little. Clean the sides of the mold and then pop it in the freezer. I usually cool it down in the freezer. It takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Also, obviously depending on the thickness of your chocolate. And why I'm tapping is you can see the bubbles coming out. So niche jo bhi air trapped hai, the bubbles come up and you don't have bubbles in your chocolate, holes in your chocolate. So this step is really crucial of tapping it. See, every area has some bubbles which are coming on top of the surface. So guys, now there is a very awesome way of coloring your chocolate, white chocolate with gel color, which I've already shown on my Instagram page, which is gone up like a month or two back on the page. So if you want, go and follow us there because we put out a lot of different content which I'm definitely sure you will enjoy and it'll be helpful for you. Today I'm going to show you how to color the white chocolate with using this gel color. I'm using green color because we have to make Rassi Bomb out of this, Rassi Bomb chocolate, and you have to take equal portions of gel color and normal vegetable oil. Okay, now just give it a nice quick mix. If you want to make it darker, you can add a little more color. Same concept, add the color. Okay, I've added totally 3 drops and then add the oil. Give it a quick mix. Okay, this is again the same Morde compound we've used. I haven't tried this with Kuva Chow, so I can't comment on that, but this works really well for compound chocolate and gel color, basically coloring the chocolate with gel color. Now we're going to make the Rassi Bomb. So we have our mold here. Okay, this is the bomb we're going to make. This is the bomb chocolate that we're going to make. Okay, I'm going to use some ready-made butterscotch crunch. Let's just take some chocolate quickly. Now because AC is on, it's kind of settling down really quick, so we have to be quick with this. Press it inside. Okay, now pop this in the freezer and it'll be out within say 5 minutes. So guys, the chocolates are out. They have cooled down now. So what you have to do is just press it a little from here and it pops out in your hands. This one as well. Just pop it a little from here. Just push it slightly and it comes out. I'm going to show you all some chocolate with Oreos now with using the same mold. So we have some melted milk chocolate here. Again, the brand is Morde and it's compound. Fill it a little tap it and add the Oreo. Okay, the chocolate at the bottom will ooze out. Now take a brush and push the chocolate towards the center, how much away you can. And then take some more chocolate and cover the top. Now we'll just tap it a little and again pop this in the freezer. Now you get two kinds of Anarka molds. One is a smaller size and one is this big size. We're using the big size because we're going to fill in some liquid fillings. You can also fill in the small one with liquid fillings, but bigger one will obviously have more space. So we're going to fill in this with milk chocolate and then we're going to center fill it with Nutella and some Biscoff. So for filling wala chocolate, what you have to do is fill it in with the chocolate till top. Lay some parchment on the tray. Okay. Once you tap the chocolate, now try and coat the edges completely by rotating the mold. Coat it completely. Okay, once that's done, you pour this down. Just usko ulta kar do, hold it upside down and pour the whole chocolate out. Don't use a very thin layer of chocolate because then otherwise the chocolate might break. I'm going to pop this in the freezer, say for around 2 to 5 minutes, and then we'll be removing it and fill the chocolates with Nutella and Biscoff. So guys, this is also set, and just push it from here and it's out. Right now this one is also done. We're going to fill in with Nutella. So to make your life easier, it's better you fill in your piping bag with the Nutella or whatever liquid you want to fill it in with. You can also fill it in with ganache or lotus Biscoff, anything soft centered. You can make it with caramel also. We're going to fill it in with Nutella. Now you can either top it off with some biscuits or some nuts. We can also add some hazelnuts. We're going to add some Biscoff. Just crush the biscuit a little. Once that's done, just cover it up with milk chocolate. Don't tap it too hard because it can break because the bottom layer is pretty thin. Just give it a little bit of tap so these bubbles just come out, and then you put it in the freezer for cooling. So we have some dark compound here from Morde. I'm just going to go fill the piping bag in with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in with the chocolate. Because the shape is a little tapered on one end, it's better you use a piping bag so you can fill the proper corners inside and well. Now tap this and just add the nuts, whatever nuts you're using. I'm using hazelnuts. Always remember, whenever you're making nuts wala chocolates, always roast the nuts. Make sure that you don't forget this step because it's very important, otherwise your nuts will taste very soggy. Again, once the nuts are in, just tap it a little and pop this in the freezer. So this is also done. It's just gonna pop out right away because it's like अच्छे से set हो गया है freezer में. So ये एक आप देख सकते हो how shiny it is. Okay. So now we are going to make this rassi bomb, okay? And this you need to fill the chocolate in. Because the chocolate is a little thick, I will need to use the brush and just spread it out on the sides using a brush. Make sure it's thick from all the sides. If you think the layer is a little thinner, anywhere just add a little more chocolate. So guys, these chocolates are also done and you can see how easily they just come out. Okay. Gonna again place these on the plate. Next is this one, which is again sorted, like it's cooled down. Now we're going to fill this in with this white chocolate, which I have colored red. I wanted to color it red because of it being rassi bomb. So I've done that. And then we're going to add some chili flakes to it. Make sure everything is covered well. अगर थोड़ा बाहर ऊज़ा भी होता है outside, like outside the mold's shape, we can later on cut it out. So just make sure you cover the whole thing properly. And now again we'll pop this in the freezer and remove it within 5 minutes, and I'll show you how it looks. I'm going to show you how to chop off these excess chocolate जो बाहर है. So we'll take a scalpel or a sharp knife. You have to be quick while doing this because your hands heat can melt the chocolate and you don't want too many finger impressions on it. Just be very quick with it. So this is also done. Just push it from here and it pops out. Now this excess can again be removed by using a scalpel or a sharp knife. And now we're going to start wrapping our chocolates. So our chocolates are ready and I'm going to start wrapping them up now. So now to wrap these chakri chocolates, you need to see how much space you need for the wrapper. So I think we'll divide this into 4. That you need to first divide it like that vertically. And these are very delicate wrappers, so you have to be very gentle with them. Once this is done, then you divide this into 2 halves. So you get 4 rectangles like that. Keep this upside down because people will open it like that. So from the back side of the chocolate, and this should be in front. So you start folding it in. And you have one chakri ready. Now for the rockets are really thin, so I just need this much space of the wrapper. So we can remove at least 6 wrappers out of this. Press it really nicely, but be careful because it's very thin, so it may break. These wrappers you will get at any bakery supply store. So this wrapper has a little bit texture here, and it is also like a foil material. So you have to keep this diagonally. Push it in the bottom and very slowly, gently cover this up. You won't tear this extra part away. So now these stickers are ready made and they are already cut out, like you already have them in shapes. You just have to peel them like that and stick it on your chocolate. Okay. I don't know what you all call it, but I used to call it chakri, and this is what is jameen chakkar, basically जो ज़मीन पर गोल घूमता है, and that's how it looks. So now you have the rocket chocolate here. You just have to take a toothpick here and apply this sellotape. Now taking the rocket bombs sticker, I'm just going to place it on top. So guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you'll enjoy this process of making these delicious chocolates, and I hope you all will try it too. And if you all do, don't forget to let us know in the comments below or tag us on Instagram. Don't forget to also follow us there because we make a lot of different content there. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you really soon, which is tomorrow. Bye. Stay safe.